So really the question is, how can we purify the electron? That part of the consciousness which has caused so many problems to us and the world. So imagine ourselves as an electron. Imagine yourself as intelligent energy that is receiving, that has this desire to receive. Now, this electron felt within itself the presence of another intelligent energy. It felt something new. It felt energy that hasn't been before within the electron. Something that couldn't describe beforehand. There is something else within me. I don't know what it is. I don't know who is that. I don't know what kind of quality and when it's coming from. Yes, but I felt the presence of this energy, and this energy was sharing, was giving. So electron, actually our consciousness, felt how the energy is feeling, how the energy that comes to us, it's feeling, what it feels like. So first of all, the electron felt for the first time that besides electron itself, there is another intelligent energy which desires to share, which desires to give. So electron felt how is to be like the giver. It felt that there is no doubt, there is no fear, there is nothing that could stop on my way. It felt in 100% the bliss and pleasure of being certain, of having everything. So there have been actually two forces. It came to be alive, two forces. So we can imagine for a second, what does this mean, sharing unconditionally? That we were sharing unconditionally. It means that nobody saw, nobody find out, and we even didn't desire that someone could have seen what we have been doing to other people or helping. This means that we didn't actually subconsciously, unconsciously, were looking for a result, a positive gift for us. We were just focused on this matter, on that person that we should help. And what was the outcome of that helping? What was the feeling that we got? It was amazing because we felt that whatever we were doing for that particular person was of such a huge altitude of energy. It was amazing experience for us. And this is what we really wanted to feel, to be. Now, I just think I'm kind of convinced that you remember this way of feeling. Now imagine just for a second that you can feel this way 24/7. That you can feel the pleasure of sharing, but not with ego way, not coming from the lack or the pressure, or because I have to, or because I want to, or because someone asked me to do it. Nobody knows about it. But we know that we help other people. We know that this help influence and change their life, that they really felt gratitude, true gratitude towards us. Now this feeling, do we have this feeling today? How often this feeling do we have? We are searching for this feeling. We wish we had it, but I, speaking for myself, know how difficult it is. Yes, we share, we give, we feel that we are giving, that we should help. That's fine. But do we feel this true feeling we had when we were younger and nobody even we didn't pay attention whether someone was going to find out about it or not? Do we have the same feeling? You see, it's more difficult and more difficult because there is more and more consciousness of electron within our consciousness that should be purified, that should be changed. So getting back to the electron, for the first time, electron felt or awaken within itself a desire to share. That was the first time, because to that point, electron or our consciousness was only receiving the energy, and it was not even aware that the energy is a different force within ourselves. So once we figured it out that there is me, there is the receiver, and there is something else inside me, then when I felt that, when you felt that, how amazing it is, what kind of certainty it is. We desired, so the electron has a desire, of course, the conscious now desire, the conscious desire of lack. I really want something. This is something I really desire. Before, I was not aware that I was receiving anything. So I was not even grateful for something like that. We wish we were. So for the first time, we felt, yes, this is something I want, and this is something I desire consciously. I want to share. I don't want all these gifts I have been receiving to date. I just want to feel what this force that came inside me, and I felt this presence. I want that energy. So the electron, for the first time, decided that wants to give, wants to share. But there is a small problem. And there was actually a small problem. And the problem was, the question is, to whom I can give and what can I give? Now, the electron couldn't have given anything that received back to the same energy, because this energy has everything. What it means, everything? It means that doesn't have desire, because when there is a lack, there is desire. So electron and its nature is to have desire, it's to have lack. Now the energy that came inside the electron had and has absolutely everything. Now, if it has, there is no desire, so cannot desire anything. Now, so cannot electron, couldn't have shared with that energy, because it doesn't have a desire to receive. So hypothetically, even though the electron would have given